Hey CybLynx fam, let's have a quick, honest talk about passwords. Yeah, I know, it's 2025 and we're still talking about passwords. But here's the thing, even strong passwords aren't saving people anymore. You ever used a password like Welcome 2024, CyberQueen 2023, or maybe your favorite combo, first name plus birth year? Be honest. You think it's strong, but the hackers think it's predictable. In fact, I saw a recent breach where over 90% of passwords were cracked in less than 2 minutes. 2 minutes. That's less time than it takes to microwave popcorn. And get this, people are still reusing the same password across email, banking, Netflix, and their work logins. One password gets compromised, the whole digital house falls apart. So let me ask you something real. When's the last time you actually changed your passwords? When's the last time you checked if your email's been in a data breach? Because cyber criminals are using bots now. They don't guess, they automate. They plug your email into leaked password lists and run it across thousands of sites. This is how identity theft starts. This is how someone logs into your accounts before you do. So here's your quick action list. Stop reusing passwords. Just stop. Use a password manager. LastPass, Bitwarden, 1Password, whatever works for you. Turn on MFA, multi-factor authentication, for everything. Check if your email is exposed on havebeenpwned.com. I use it regularly. And if you're in charge of a team, make this training part of your culture. Cybersecurity doesn't have to be complicated, but it does have to be consistent. Now tell me in the comments, be real. What's the worst password you've ever used? I'll go first. Mine used to be VivaBoss. Oh, yeah, I'm cringing too. We laugh, but this stuff matters. So if you're ready to take your digital security seriously, stay plugged in here at CybLynx. We're breaking down cybersecurity in plain language with real tools and real impact. Hit that like if this made you think. Subscribe to stay ahead and share this with someone who still uses password 123. We all know someone. Stay smart, stay secure. Catch you in the next one.